Ever wonder about the story behind AI? It might seem like this new thing, but surprise. The story goes way back to the 1900s. Even though the big breakthroughs happened in the 1950s, we wouldn't be here without the awesome work of early experts in different fields. Understanding this history is like having a roadmap to where AI is today and where it might go in the future. So in this video, we're taking a trip down memory lane, exploring all the cool milestones from the early 1900s to the awesome strides we're making right now. So let's dive in. Chapter number 1. The Birth of AI, the 1950s, beginning. Let's go back to 1950 when a brilliant mind named Alan Turing started the AI journey. Turing, a young British polymath, delved into AI by proposing that machines, like humans, could use information and reasoning to make decisions and solve problems. His paper titled Computing Machinery and Intelligence outlined the logical framework for building intelligent machines and testing their capabilities. However, Turing had to wait to dive into turning his ideas into reality. The computers of the time were a roadblock. They could not store commands. Before 1949, computers could execute commands but couldn't remember them. Also, computing was a costly affair, with leasing a computer in the early 1950s requiring a hefty monthly sum of $200,000. This made AI exploration feasible only for big tech companies and esteemed universities. So, for anyone wanting to venture into AI, proving the concept and gaining support from influential figures were essential to convince funding sources to invest in this exciting but uncertain field. Chapter number 2. The Gathering at Dartmouth. Pioneering the AI movement. Fast forward 5 years from Turing's groundbreaking ideas, and we find ourselves in the hands of Herbert Simon, Cliff Shaw, and Alan Newell, who took the initiative to bring the concept of artificial intelligence to life. The trio's brainchild, the logic theorist, emerged as a proof of concept and a trailblazer in the nascent field of AI. Financed by the Research and Development, RAND Corporation, this program was designed with a singular mission: to emulate the problem-solving prowess of a human mind. The pivotal moment they arrived in 1956 at the Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence, DSRPAI. Marvin Minsky, a distinguished cognitive scientist from MIT, and John McCarthy, a prominent figure in cognitive science and computer science, hosted the event. Here, the logic theorist took center stage, marking its presence as what many consider to be the inaugural AI program. The DSRPAI showcased technological advancements and served as the backdrop for the birth of the term artificial intelligence. Chapter number 3. AI Growing Up, 1957 to 1979. Let's take a trip back to the time between the birth of the term artificial intelligence and the groovy 1980s. Picture this era as the teenage years of the artificial intelligence world, full of ups and downs, twists and turns. In the late 1950s and through the swinging 1960s, we witnessed AI's creation phase. Imagine a time when programming languages, still relevant today, made their grand entrance, and books and films dived headfirst into the fantastical realm of robots. Let's fast forward to the 1970s, a mixed bag of goodies. Japan proudly unveiled its first anthropomorphic robot, and a clever grad student crafted the inaugural autonomous vehicle. However, in the midst of these triumphs, AI researchers faced their fair share of challenges. The US government, somewhat tight-fisted with funds, added complexity to the AI research journey. But wait, there's more. In 1958, John McCarthy rocked the scene by introducing Lisp, list processing, the OG programming language for AI research, still strutting its stuff today. The following year, Arthur Samuel coined the term machine learning during a speech that aimed to teach machines to outplay their human chess programming overlords. Fast forward to 1961, and Unimate, the first industrial robot, took center stage at General Motors, revolutionizing assembly lines and tackling the difficult tasks humans preferred to avoid. Meanwhile, in 1965, Edward Feigenbaum and Joshua Lederberg birthed the first expert system, an AI wizard designed to mimic human decision-making. In 1966, Joseph Weizenbaum brought Eliza, the chatty psychotherapist chatbot, to life. Eliza engaged in conversations with humans using natural language processing, marking a fascinating leap in AI interaction. Soviet math whiz Alexei Ivakhenko dropped a bombshell in 1968, presenting the concept of deep learning in a groundbreaking journal article. Chapter number 4. AI Winter. Beware as the AI community sounded the alarm, ushering in a frosty era known as the AI Winter. Imagine it when the warmth of interest in AI dwindled among consumers and investors, leading to a chilly period of reduced research funding and scarce breakthroughs. The AI winter descended upon us due to setbacks in the machine market and expert systems, such as the conclusion of the fifth-generation project, cutbacks in strategic computing initiatives, and a slowdown in the deployment of expert systems. In 1987, the market for specialized Lisp-based hardware crumbled under the weight of cheaper and more accessible competitors capable of running Lisp software, including offerings from tech giants like IBM and Apple. This sudden accessibility rendered many specialized Lisp companies obsolete, highlighting the shift in technology dynamics. Then, in 1988, amidst the frosty atmosphere, a computer programmer named Rollo Carpenter brought a touch of warmth with the invention of the chatbot Jabberwocky. Programmed to deliver interesting and entertaining conversations to humans, Jabberwocky emerged as a beacon of innovation amid the AI winter, proving that even in the chilliest times, sparks of creativity can thaw the ice. Chapter number 5. Smart Agents and the World of Machine Learning. In the early 1990s, artificial intelligence research shifted focus to intelligent agents, versatile tools for news retrieval, online shopping, and web browsing, evolving into digital virtual assistants and chatbots through big data programs. Machine learning, a key subset of AI, spawned natural language processing, NLP, and maintained its status as a foundational element. In 1990, Robert Shapiro introduced boosting, the concept that an assembly of weak learners creates a robust learner. Speech recognition experienced a breakthrough with long short-term memory, LSTM, 1997. In 2015, Google reported a 49% boost in performance using LSTM. Facial recognition advanced significantly. In 2006, newer algorithms were 10 times more accurate than those in 2002. Chapter number 6. Navigating the world of digital assistants and chatbots. In this ever-evolving digital age, let's dive into the fascinating realm of digital virtual assistants and chatbots, your tech-savvy companions. Digital virtual assistants, equipped to understand and act upon spoken commands, have become integral to our technological landscape. In 2011, Apple's Siri emerged as a trailblazer in this field, garnering popularity for its natural language processing capabilities. What started as a convenient source for weather updates and news has evolved into a powerful customer service tool, thanks to advances in natural language processing and access to extensive data. These virtual assistants, including Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, and Cortana, now transcend basic tasks. They manage schedules, make phone calls, take dictation, offering services comparable to human assistants. The beauty lies in their hands-free operation. Responding to verbal commands allows users to multitask, while the assistant handles assigned tasks. Beyond personal assistants, these virtual entities represent the cutting edge of AI research, branching into areas like autonomous driving and physical robotic assistance, and contributing to business decision-making processes. Chapter number 7. Future of AI. Alright, now that we're back in the present, you're probably wondering, what's next for AI? Guess what? Predicting the future is like trying to predict the weather. Not foolproof, but experts have some pretty smart ideas. Brace yourself for more AI taking center stage in businesses big and small. And hold on tight for more cool stuff like robots, self-driving cars, and many more exciting AI adventures. As we conclude our exploration of AI's history and future, it's clear we're at the brink of a technological revolution. From Turing's brilliance to today's virtual assistants, AI's journey is awe-inspiring. The future promises business evolution, workforce transformations, and innovations like robotics. Embrace the possibilities, stay curious, and get ready for the incredible AI-driven future ahead. And hey, if you enjoyed this journey, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech adventures. Until next time, stay inspired and stay tuned.